Hello and welcome on this beautiful day to the address of 241 Pear Tree Circle located here in Hopkins. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Very nice home. Very nice backyard as well. Also, you have a long driveway and a patio in the backyard. Let's go take a look. Going into the backyard, this side door right here, that actually leads into the dining portion of the kitchen. Here in the backyard, you have your shed on that end. And it is fenced in, but also there's somewhat of a gap right there. But here you have your patio, and that's another door that leads to the dining room portion of the kitchen as well. All right, with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your tile flooring right here, and also the staircase that leads to 2 bedrooms up there, but we'll save that for a little later in the video. As soon as you come in through the front door to the right, you have your formal dining room and also living room. It is carpeted. It's a pretty good size. You also have your windows right here that look out into the front yard of the neighborhood. Coming through this door from the dining room, you can make your way into the kitchen. You have tile flooring in here as well. Very nice gray countertops, complements the cabinets very well. And also you have your stainless steel appliances right here. Going a little bit forward, you have your eat-in portion of the kitchen right here that I mentioned earlier in the video. That is the door that leads out to the side of the home. And you have this door right here in the living room. You have your tile right there in front of the fireplace, and then you have your laminate wood right here. Also, you have your ceiling fan and another window that looks out into the backyard of the home. Coming through the living room to the right, you have bathroom number 1. You have your double vanity sinks right here, pretty large mirror. And right here in this bathroom, you have your washer and dryer connections for your laundry room. And also you have your shelving right here. Going to this door to the right, you have your shower and toilet right here. And coming through here, I usually save it for last, but since we're going through, this is the master bedroom. It is carpeted, pretty good size as well. You have your ceiling fan right here, also your window right there, and also right here. And that is your walk-in closet. And we can make our way through here. And to the right, you have bedroom number 2. Same style, but smaller. You have your ceiling fan, also your closet right there, and 2 windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood, and it is carpeted in here as well. This door is an additional closet, and we're going to make our way back through here and take a look upstairs, where we have 2 additional bedrooms and also a bathroom. All right, coming upstairs to the right, and also another right, you have your linen closet right here, and also bathroom number 2. You have your single vanity sink, also mirror, window right here, and then you have your shower and tub combo, and also toilet. Through here you have bedroom number 3. Pretty good sized bedroom. Also you have a window right here. Pretty good size as far as the ceiling as well. Pretty high ceilings. And then you have your ceiling fan right here, and also double door closet right here. Coming out of bedroom number 3, we're going to make our way to bedroom number 4. It's pretty much similar to bedroom number 3. You have your ceiling fan, window, also carpet, window, and your double door closet right here. Alright, that concludes our video tour of this home, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Very nice home located here in Hopkins. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.